Good morning, students. Today we will go through the subject math. Chapter is 5 and topic is division. Students, you know what is division, and I think you have done this in class 3 also. So, some reference, some revision is given in the first page. Look at this picture. It is shown how a person completes 112 kilometers from city A to B and 8 liters petrol consumed. So it is asking how much kilometer distance in a liter. So total distance is 112. 112 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल हुआ सिटी ए टू बी बाई रोलिंग. So 8 liters पेट्रोल कंज्यूम हुआ. तो पर लीटर में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर होता है. So 112/8 is 40. Okay, so that means 14 kilometers is covered in 1 liter. So based on this revision, some recap exercises are given. So like 6 into 15 is 90, you know. So when you divide 90 by 15, you get 6. This 6. Okay. On the other hand, if you divide 90 by 6, so to say, you will get 15. Okay. Similarly, 10 into 11 is 110 because you know 111 10 is 110. So 110 divided by 10 is 11, or 110 divided by 10 is 11, or 110 divided by 10 is 11 is 10. Similarly, rest examples are there. Number 2, use repeated subtraction and find quotients. Repeated subtractions are there. जैसे for example 75 divided 75 को 15 से डिवाइड करेगा तो 5 होता है. यू नो 15 से 5 जब 75. बट ये कैसे होता है? अगर रिपीटेड सब्सट्रैक्शन ये मेथड को फॉलो करेंगे, 75 माइनस करेंगे 50 में, ये एक बार होगा, ये रिजल्ट 60, ये वन स्टेप. सेकंड स्टेप 60 डिवाइड माइनस 5 45. सेकंड स्टेज 45 माइनस 15 इज 30. ये थर्ड स्टेज 30 माइनस 15 इज 15. ये फोर्थ स्टेज 15 माइनस 15 इज 0. तो 5 स्टेज में ये 0 होता है, तो ये 5 होता है. ये एक भी मेथड है कि रिपीटेड सब्सट्रैक्शन थ्रू से क्वेश्चन हमको मिलता है. तो 40 डिवाइडेड बाय 8 भी ऐसे होगा, वो भी 5 होगा बिकॉज यू नो 8 into 5 is 40. सो कैसे होगा? 40 माइनस 8, ये होगा 32, ये फर्स्ट स्टेज. देन 32 माइनस 8, ये 24 होगा, ये सेकंड स्टेज. 24 माइनस 8, ये 16, ये थर्ड स्टेज. 16 माइनस 8, ये 8 होगा. देन 8 माइनस 8, ये 0 होगा. until you get 0 you keep on subtracting. फिर कितना बार हुआ? ऊपर का वहाँ पे 5 बार हुआ. So result is 5. Similarly you can do the rest. Use multiplication tables and divide the following. Multiplication will be very easy. 72 by 9, 9 8 is 72, so 8. 78 by 6. So what is the quotient? The result is called quotient. So 13, 6 1 just 6, 1 8 18. So 6 3 is 78 by 6. You just write like this. Okay, so 16 into 13 is 78. So here the question is 13. So it is 13. Like this you do the rest bits. Number 4, find the quotient and remainder. Sometimes some numbers are not divided completely. Some numbers are remained at the end. That is called remainder. So 50 by 8. It cannot be divided fully. So you know 50 divided by 8. 8 6 are 48 minus 2. So 2 is the remainder, 6 is the quotient. Okay. Similarly, you can do the rest. Number 5, find the quotients and remainder. 192 divided by 8. This is 3-digit number, 4-digit number. Okay. So 192 divided by 8. 2, 16, 9 minus 6, 3, 1 minus 1, 0, then 2, 32, 8 more there, 32. So 24 is the quotient and remainder is 0. So you can do the rest. Solve the following two tables were placed in rows of 8. How many rows were made? एक रो में 8 टेबल हम रखे हैं, टोटल 288 टेबल्स है. सो कितना रो बनाना पड़ेगा? 288 टेबल रखना. 288 को 8 में डिवाइड करेंगे. 288 डिवाइड बाय 8 डिवाइड 3 24 4 8 6 48. So 36 is the quotient. Okay, quotient is 36. So 36 rows were made. Similarly, can do number B of 6. Now we will read the chapter here: dividend, divisor, and quotient. So what is the point of doing all these things here? This has already taught to you in your previous class. It is to refresh you. So now you know what is division and how you do division. So what is this? What are the types? How to divide? Okay. Now there are some terminology. Terminology means some points, some names are there in English, and we have to know what is that. They like dividend, divisor, quotient, and so on. So on means, and one more is last but not the least is the remainder. Remainder is not given here. Next page remainder is there. So dividend, dividend means dividend, division. First of all, what is division? The sentence says division means equal sharing or equal grouping. For example, 48 chocolates. I am having 48 chocolates. You are 6 members. So I want that each one of you should get equal number of chocolates. So what will have to be done? 48 divided by 6. Then result is 8. So each one student will get 8 numbers of chocolates. So equal share. It is not unequal, equal. Equal sharing or equal grouping. That is called division. So this is the definition of division. Division is equal sharing or equal grouping. It is a method by means of which you can divide, you can share equally. So that is division. And to do a division, some numbers are called dividend, some numbers are called divisor, some numbers are called quotient. For example, the number of pencils were distributed equally among 11 girls is 88. Number of pencils 88. Number of girls 11. Each girl कितना मिलेगा? 88 को 11 में divide करने से 8 होता है. So here what is what? Here in division sum, the number is to be divided is called dividend. Dividend is जो नंबर में डिवाइड करेंगे, the number to be divided, वो डिविडेंड. डिविडेंड क्या है? जो नंबर को हम दूसरा नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे वो नंबर को ही डिविडेंड बोलेंगे. सो जो एग्जांपल में क्या है? 88 pencils are there. So 88 is the dividend. The number by which we divide is called the divisor. कितना नंबर में डिवाइड करेंगे? 11 में. 11 क्लास है. So 88 डिविडेंड and 11 है जो है वो डिवाइजर, एंड जो रिजल्ट होता है 8, वो क्या है, वो है क्वोशिएंट. सो 8 इज द क्वोशिएंट, 11 is the divisor, and 88 is the dividend. Okay, so this is wrong, this arrow is wrong, it should be like this. So 88 divided by 11 is equal to 8, 8 is the quotient, 8, 11 is the divisor, 88 is the dividend. Here another example is given in this way. Here 2 is the remainder, that is called remainder. So 152 divided by 6, 152 पेपर शीट से 6 टाइपिस्ट में डिवाइड करेंगे. तो ये एग्जांपल, 152 divided by 6 is 6 2 is 12, 3 2 32, 6 5 is 30, 2 is there. It cannot be divided further because 2 is less than 6. So if we divide 152 with 6, 25 is the quotient, 152 is the dividend, 6 is the divisor, 2 is the remainder. Okay. Here the remainder is 2, not 4. Pretty mistake. It is 2. Okay. Then properties of division. There are some properties of division. There are basically 4 properties. Let us go one by one. Dividing by 1. When we divide any number by 1, the quotient is divided itself. So example 8 divided by 1 is 8. 56 divided by 1 is 56. कोई नंबर को एक में डिवाइड करेंगे, वही नंबर रहेगा, जो डिविडेंड है वही रहेगा. तो क्वेश्चन क्या होगा, डिविडेंड होगा. मींस 8 by 1, यहाँ 8 है, क्या है डिविडेंड, 1 है डिवाइजर, तो क्वेश्चन होता है 8. 56 में 1 डिवाइड करने से क्वेश्चन होता है 56. जो डिविडेंड है वही रहेगा. तो if we divide any number by 1, we will get that number only. That is the dividend. Quotient will be the dividend. Here the quotient is dividend itself. Number 2, dividing a number by itself. When we divide, when the dividend and the divisor are same. Some cases the divisor and divisor both are same. 5 divided by 5. Here both are same. 1. 55 divided by 55. 1. 444 divided by 454. 1. So any number divided by that number is always 1. So this is true that any number divided by that number, the question is always 1. Dividing a number by 0. We cannot divide a number by 0 because this is indivisible. For example, there are 9 slices of pizza and 0 children. With whom can the pizza be shared? It is not possible. That is, it is impossible. Yes, हो ही नहीं सकता है. Because 9 slice है पिज्जा का, और कोई बच्चा नहीं, किसको क्या देगा? नहीं दे पाएगा. डिवीजन नहीं हो पाएगा. Dividing 0 by a number. Last रूल है, कोई नंबर 0 को कोई नंबर से डिवाइड करना है. 0 is the here it is dividend. 0 is the dividend and the quotient is 0. When the dividend is 0, the quotient is 0. Suppose, for example, here 9 children and 0 topic. There is nothing to share, so 0 by 9 is equal to 0 only. Okay, कुछ शेयर नहीं कर सकते, कि टॉपिक तो नहीं है, किसको शेयर करेगा क्या? So this is just opposite to point number 3. Okay, based on these 4 rules, exercise 5.1 to be done. Like 636 by 1 is what? 636. Because we know the first rule, 8 by 1 is 8, When we divide any number by 1, the quotient is divided itself. So 636 is the dividend, divisor is 1. So if we divide, it will be 636 itself. Okay. Any number divided by that number, as per the rule, it will be 1. So divided by 2 will be 1. 0 by 12. 0 by 12 is 0. As per this dividing rule, 0 dividing 0 by a number. So 0 by anything is 0. And on the other hand, 984 by 0, it is not possible, impossible. Okay. So like this you do. The rest division patterns. Some patterns of divisions are explained here. Number 1, 96 divided by 8 is 12. So you know 12, 8 is 96. So when we divide 8, 96 with 8, we get the quotient as 12. When we increase the number 96 to 10 times, it becomes 960. Then the quotient will be 10 times more than this. So it is 120. 9600 divided by 8 is 1200. 96000 by 8, 1200. So this is 10, 1, 10. This is in 10 plus, this is 1 plus, this is in 100 plus, 10 plus, 1 plus, 1000 plus, 100 plus, 10 plus, 1 plus, similarly. So this is a particular pattern. Here this 8 is constant, the divisor is constant, the divisor, the dividend multiplied with 10 in each cases. Here there are 4 cases. Similarly, you can do 2 and 3. Division by 10, 100 and 1000. That was explained to make this page easy. It will be easier for you to understand here how to divide by 10, 100 and 1000. Look at the patterns and learn to divide quickly. You can divide quickly. This is the pattern. 90 by 10 is equal to 9. You know, that was the pattern number 1. Like this. 96 by 8 is 12. Simple. 10 by 10, 9 is 90. Here 9 is the quotient, remainder is 0, nothing. 75 by 10 is 7 because quotient is 7 and remainder is 8. 10, 7 is 70. So here this is wrong actually. Sorry, this is not 8. I can correct. So 75 by 10, 10, 7 is 70. So 5 is there. So here it says division by 10. It says when you divide 75 by 10, the quotient and quotient will be 7, which is in the tens place, whereas the remainder will be 5, which is in 1 place. Please look at this 75. The first one will be the quotient, the second one, which is in 1 place, will be the remainder. 569 by 10. Here the quotient will be first 2 digit, 100 plus and 10 plus, 56, and 9 is in the remainder. That's why it is written if the divisor is 10, the digit in the ones place of the dividend becomes the remainder and the number formed by the remaining digit of the dividend becomes the quotient. That is the example. जो divisor अगर 10 है, in 3 cases it is 10, the digit in the ones place of the dividend का वन प्लेस में 2 डिजिट है, 0 है, रिमाइंडर 0, 5 है, रिमाइंडर 5, 9 है, रिमाइंडर 9. तो वन प्लेस में जो है डिजिट डिविडेंड का वो रिमाइंडर है, और जो रेस्ट प्लेस में जो है वो है क्वोशिएंट. सिमिलरली डिवीजन बाय 100, इसमें क्या है, this 600 by 100 is 6, क्वोशिएंट रिमाइंडर 0, 3412 डिवाइडेड 100. यहाँ पे जो 1 2 है 2 डिजिट 10 प्लस एंड 1 प्लस इन द वंस एंड टेंस ये होगा क्वेश्चन। यहाँ पर you can also say why we write 0, why not double 0? Yes, you can write double 0, but that doesn't have any meaning. There is only 0. So remainder is here 0. But here, since we divide 3412 divided by 100, we have to take the last two digit as the remainder and the first two digit as the quotient. 34 will be the quotient and 2 will be the remainder. In 14,569, if we divide by 100, then 69 last two digit tens and ones be the remainder and 145 will be the quotient. That's what is written here. And the number formed by the remaining digits of the dividend become the quotient. ये 1 plus dividend है, ये 1 plus of the dividend ये remainder है, and the number formed the remaining digits of the dividend is the quotient. Division by 1000, ये 10 में हुआ, 100 हुआ, अभी 1000 में देखिए. 9000 by 1000, 9 you know, ये the remainder is 0, 90%. 6547 when you divide by 1000, 6,000 into 6,000. So यहाँ पे जो 1000 में कितना जीरो है, 3 जीरो है. So 6547 में 6000 में बाद कितना डिजिट है, 3 डिजिट है. So what are they? 547. So 547 3 डिजिट नंबर जो है वो रिमाइंडर हुआ. पहला नंबर 6% हुआ. यहाँ पे और बढ़ा देंगे 47,896. यहाँ पे 896 रिमेनिंग the remainder and 47 is the quotient. यहाँ पर 9% 0 remainder. Similarly, all these things. Remember, the remainder is always smaller than the divisor. The remainder, जो remainder वो divisor से छोटा है, हमेशा छोटा है. यहाँ पर you see these are the dividend, these are divisor, this is the quotient. So यहाँ पे remainder जो है वो डिवाइजर से छोटा है, डिवाइजर से छोटा है. डिवाइजर जो है किससे, ये डिवाइजर से, इससे छोटा है हमेशा. if the divisor is 1000, the number formed by the digits in the ones, tens and 100 places becomes the remainder and the number formed by the remaining digit of the dividend becomes the quotient. Based on that, this exercise I can do there. 10 by 10 1, 40 by 10, 45 by 10, 10 4 40. So 4 is the quotient, 5 is the remainder. Similarly, to all these questions, find the quotients and the remainder. 800 by 100, 8. 32 by 100 is 32. Similarly, you can do the rest. Here 5000 by 1000 is 5. 1475 by 1000 is how much? Is 1 is the quotient, 475 is the remainder. Okay. So like this you have to do the rest. Fill in the blanks. In 685 divided by 10, quotient is less and remainder is less. So by that rule only you can divide and get the quotient as well as the remainder. And here also the National Library has this number of reference books arranged in 6 racks. Equally, how many books does each rack hold? Okay. So let us first in number 4, let us do one example. 10. 10 6 are 60. 8 5. 10 8 is 80. So 5. 68 is the quotient, 5 is the remainder here. Like that we do. Here 15,852 divided by 6. 15,852 divided by 6. racks equally. 6 2 are 12, 3, 8, 6 the 36, 2, 5, 4 the 24, 1, 2, 2 the 12. So 2642 is the question here. And how many books does each rack holds? 2642. So this is all about the division there and long division. Next is long division. You have already learned division by one digit divisor. Now let us take a look at it once again. The 653 by 5. 653 by 5. There are three steps given here. But the basic rule is here you see 653 divided by 5. 5 1 is 5 in 100 place. If you subtract each one means 100. Then you bring high place here, which is in place 1500 actually. Then 5 3 is 15 0. Then 3 is 9. So 130 is the quotient and 3 is the remainder. That was explained here in details. Go through it. And quotient is 130 and the 3 is the remainder. Similarly, other examples is there. It is 593 is the quotient and 3 is the remainder. Okay. Next. वेरिफिकेशन करेंगे कैसे डिवीजन डिवाइजर इनटू क्वोशिएंट प्लस रिमाइंडर इज इक्वल टू द डिविडेंड फॉर एग्जांपल हियर क्वोशिएंट इज 593 remainder is 3 and divisor is 6 we multiply this into this 593 6 okay then 3 okay so 3561 is the dividend so when you multiply divisor with quotient and add the result with remainder we get the dividend so our answer is correct because here the example find 3561 divided by 6 also verify the answer. Here there are two questions. You have to first divide 3561 with 6. Then you have to verify whether the answer is correct or not. In this 1000, 100, 10 and 1 place. Here you write 0 then 593. Okay, 3561 you write divide by 6. Then you get the result one by one and the remainder remains 3. And it is 593. So then through these steps we get the quotient 593. How we get the quotient 593 is written and remainder is 3 there. So we just multiply and add with this remainder we get the result which is equal to the dividend. So our answer is correct. Then based on that you do the exercise 5.3. And the quotient and the remainder 653 divided by 9 into 653 divided by 9. Nine seven there 63. In 10 place 5 is there. From 5 tens you subtract 3 tens is 2 tens then 3 18 then here 5. Okay. So 72 is the quotient, 5 is the remainder. Similarly, you can do the rest, find the quotient and verify your answer. Here you divide it and you get the quotient and you verify. How to verify? You multiply the quotient with the divisor and add with the remainder. Then you will get the dividend and you will get the exactly the same number as a dividend. That's why you can verify like this. Then long division by 2 digit divisors. Long division. long two digit. Is it two digit? 18 is the two digit number, two digit divider, and 6574 is the dividend. So 6574 when we divide by 18, we get the quotient as 365 and the remainder as 4. So this that was illustrated in 3 steps, and question 365 remainder 4. Okay. Find 9412 11. You get the quotient as 7 and the quotient as 855 and the remainder as 7. So 855 and 7. So you can verify the divisor by the same method. Okay. Then based on these examples and the steps, exercise 5.4 can be done. Recall your tables and find the questions and the remainders. You have to recall your tables. 40 tables, 2 digits division. So 5632 divided by 14. You have to divide like this. So 5632 divided by 14. In 14 table, 14 4 are 56. Okay, 0. Then write 3. Then you cannot divide by 3. 0. Then write 2. Okay, so this is the question, this is the remainder, and this is the divisor. So rule is what? What is the rule? What is the rule? You have to divisor into question plus remainder. Divisor plus question means here 402 into 14 plus 5. 402 into 14. Five six two eight. 5628 plus 5. 5628. Sorry, here this is 4 plus 4, that is 5638. The remainder is 4 actually. 32 minus 28 is 4. So 402 is the quotient into 14 is the divisor. That makes to 5628. When we add with the remainder 4, it becomes perfectly 5632 which is exactly this. Similarly, solve and check your answer. You check through this method. 5050 divided by 10. It is how much? 505. Okay. Whether it is correct or not, you have to check through this. So students, you please try to do homework on exercise 5.1 to 5.4 in your math copy. But before doing, please read all, the lesson totally Before doing, please read the lesson totally. Understand the rules, various steps, what is division, what is dividend, what is divisor, what is quotient, what is remainder, what are the methods of long division, short division, everything. You first read one by one and start doing one by one from exercise 5.4 to 5.1 to 5.2. Okay? In the next class, we will cover the rest lessons of this division chapter. Till then, have a good day.